Very good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very
Good
good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning,
Very good
sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Today I will start the resume
Morning,
the
sir.
chapter. Whatever we were studying yesterday. Okay. Let's
Where
see
book pass?
what we were studying yesterday.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Now what we were studying yesterday, we were studying the importance of water. Okay.
Importance of water.
Water for animals.
Importance of okay. So once again, what is the importance of water?
अरे तो सगळं बुक डाउनलोड बुक डाउनलोड करना है तो चलेगा नहीं तो फिर हो गया काम
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, chapter. See the name of the chapter. Chapter 6. It is na 7.
Yes, sir.
Importance
Seven.
of water. Okay. Importance of water.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Very good morning. Importance of water. The first question which we okay. The first question which we did yesterday. What is importance of water? What are importance of water in our day to day life? Okay, this was the question. Now you all mute from your side. Okay, what we were doing? What is the importance of water in our day to day life? Who will answer it? Who will answer it?
Good morning, sir.
Sir, Madhu. Sir, Sachi.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, Smriti Komal.
Very
Good morning, sir.
Okay, very good morning.
Sir, Madhu.
You press.
Sir, Madhu Smriti Komal.
Okay, Smriti Komal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
unmute. Okay, Smriti Komal, come on the screen and you answer it.
सर इसको कॉपी में भी लिखना है
लिखना है, कॉपी में लिखना है. चलो स्मृति कमल, come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
मच्छी हो गया आवाजवा कुछ है
Okay, now Smriti Komal, unmute yourself and answer it. Okay, Smriti Komal.
We use the water our day-to-day life by drinking and other household activities like washing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, and so on.
Okay, so one of the things which you are saying that we use for, let me take it down. B, water is point number 1. Water is used for drinking.
Yes, sir.
Water is used for drinking. Okay. Second, water is
Other
used for.
household activities.
Okay, water is used for. Water is used for. Oh my God. Water is used for household activities. Okay. Next, anything else which you would like to add? Importance of water. Anything which you wish
Washing,
to add?
bathing, cooking,
All
cleaning.
that comes under the household activities. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anything
Irrigation the
else?
field.
Right. One of the major is the water is needed for the irrigating the field. Okay. Water is needed in agriculture. You can write water is needed in water is needed for irrigation. Water is needed for irrigation. Okay, now, okay, thank you, Smriti. Now let other be given the chance. Okay. Now next, mute yourself, Smriti. Now Sachi Kumari, tell me, come on the screen. Sachi Kumari,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
We use water for drinking and other household activities like washing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, and so on. Water is also used for irrigating the fields, garnering electricity, and for transportation.
Water is means I have collected water is also used for transportation. Okay. What I have collected from you is one of the important point is that you are saying that water is used for transportation, right?
Yes, sir.
I put your opinion here. Okay. I also put your opinion here. Water is used for navigation, we will write.
No, sir, transportation.
Okay, navigation and TRNS. Navigation and transportation.
Then
Okay.
generating
Anything?
electricity.
Okay. Water is also used for generating electricity. Again, the next point which you are adding it here, that is water is used for, very good. Water is used for 5. Generating electricity. Okay. Next, anything else? Now let the other be given the chance. Okay. Other than you, let other than you be given the chance. Okay. After Sachi Kumari. Okay. Let other be given the chance. Now let's come to Shamli Kumari. Shamli Kumari, unmute yourself. Shamli Kumari, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me.
Sir, water is essential for all living beings.
Why it is essential for all living beings?
Because it sir, water is
Go, bolo, don't hesitate. Go on speaking what you think. Okay, bolo. Because living being needs water. Water is needed for study only. We have discussed that water is needed for the digestion. Water is needed for the excretion. Okay, water is needed for water is needed for the existence of life. That we have discussed. Okay.
Okay,
We
sir.
will write here. Okay, water is needed for existence. No. Water is needed.
To all living beings.
Is needed for life process. Life process like digestion. Water is needed for the life process like digestion, like excretion. Okay. Anything else? Okay, next. After Shamli, it is Trisha Ranjan. Unmute yourself, Trisha Ranjan. Trisha Ranjan, unmute yourself. Which you want? Anything which you want to add in this? Trisha Ranjan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. We use water for drinking and other household activities like washing, bathing, cooking, and others so on. Water is also used for irrigation in the fields and generating electricity, and for transport. These help them in digestion of food. The nutrients present in food get dissolving in water. This help their body to absorb the nutrients.
Okay, you are reading the book. So what you should do? You should do everybody. What you should do? You should first read the book and then you should summarize it by yourself. Okay. Okay, well done. Next it is mute yourself, Trisha Ranjan 5B. Next it is Bhavya Kishore. Tell me. Switch on your video. Switch on your video. Why you are hesitating? Switch on your video. Why you are hesitating? Come out of hesitation.
जल्दी से काय बोला
No problem. No problem. Why are you hesitating?
Water is used for digestion. Water is used for electricity and transportations. Water is used for the household activities like washing, drinking, irrigations. Water is generate electricity. Water is used for absorb nutrients.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Mute yourself now. Okay. Nishant Anupam, anything else which you want to add? Nishant
Yes,
Anupam, anything else which you want? Tell me.
water is used for drinking animal and
That I have already told. Apart from this, if you want to add something, anything else other than this, okay,
Sir,
other than this.
सर एनिमल्स के लिए वाटर पानी
अच्छा, water is needed for the habitat.
animals and birds.
Okay, water is needed to maintain. Water is habitat. सिर्फ habitat लिखते हैं. Let's use simple word. HABITA. Habitat. Water is habitat. Habitat means natural home of an animal. Habitat. 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 Yes. Habitat means natural home of an animal. That is called habitat. Anything water is used for drinking. Okay. Now let's sum it up. Okay. Now let's conclude it. Okay. Anybody else? I can see Sachi Kumari, Ritika Kumari 5A. Anything which you wish to add, Ritika? You can say anything else other than this. Other than this.
Help them in digestion. Their food, the nutrient present in food get dissolved in water. This helps their bodies to absorb the nutrient.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Mute yourself. IUC 5C. IUC 5C.
Sir, water is used in seed germination.
Yes. Seed germination. Chalo, this is a good point. Let's take it down. Okay. Let's take it down. Okay. Water is needed for seed germination. Okay. Okay. Needed for. Okay. Very good. So now we have completed the one thing, that what is the importance of water, right? Next, let's move to the another topic. Okay. Now water is important. Water is a natural resource that we have seen, and 70% of human body is made up of water. 70% of human body is made up of water, right? And yesterday we have seen. Now we were talking about the habitat. What is habitat? Okay, habitat. Okay, we were talking about the next term, that is habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is a natural home of an animal. Okay, then some animals lives in the water. Uh, Aquatic animal. What are aquatic animals? What are aquatic animals? Okay. What are aquatic animals and what are amphibians? Okay, right. So first we will see what are aquatic animal. Aqua. You can see this is a Latin word. Okay. Here the aqua is a Latin word. I am writing here. Okay. A-Q-U-A. Aqua. Aqua is a Latin word. Okay, which mean water. W-A-T-E-R. Okay. You can see aqua is a Latin word. Aqua is a Latin word which mean water. Aqua means water. जहाँ जहाँ aqua जहाँ जैसे aqua guard. Okay, aqua guard means water guard. Aqua stands for water. Okay, aqua is a Latin word which means water. Now, what are aquatic animals? Its answer will be animals, 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 animal who lives in the water. In the water are called aquatic animal. Okay. Now, can you cite the example of aquatic animals? Can you tell the example of aquatic animals? Anybody? Yes, you can write.
Sir, a starfish.
Starfish. Okay. Starfish,
Sir, octopus,
octopus,
Sir,
whale,
seahorse.
seahorse,
whale,
and
whale,
anything else. Okay.
Sir, fish.
Okay.
prawn.
Fish. I have already prawn. Turtle is amphibian. Okay. Now let's come to the next question. Here we have saying amphi. Again, amphi is here a Latin word. A-M-P-H-I. Amphi is a Latin word which means both. Okay, which means both. Right? You can see here amphi. Amphi is a Latin word which means both. Right? So animals who lives on both means land and water. What will be its answer? Animals who live on and answer
Frog,
animals who lives on land and water both are called amphibians. Okay, amphibian. They are called amphibians. Example of amphibian you can write in the you can write in the chat board. Okay, crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I. Crocodile. Snake.
Turtle.
Frog.
turtle,
Turtle. Okay. Anything else? Priyanshu, I am getting your answer. Okay. Okay.
sir, snake,
I have written all the things. Okay. Now let's come to the book. Okay. Let's come to the book. Here we will see. We have seen the examples, right? Importance of water. Now some plants, aquatic plants. Now aquatic plant who grow in the water, they are called aquatic plant. Okay, plant require various nutrients for the growth. These nutrients get dissolved in water in the soil. Plant observe water from the soil with the help of their root. The observed water transport the nutrients to various part of the plant. Plant need water for preparing their food. Now, next question arises here. What are the importance of water for the plant? Okay, what is the importance of water for the plant? The importance of water for the plant is, okay, now come to the topic. Importance of water for the plant is that what plant require various nutrients for the proper growth. These nutrients plant get from soil, okay, but plant do not get nutrient direct from the soil. First, water dissolve the nutrients present in the soil, and then the root hair present in the root, they observe the nutrients through water. Okay, I hope you have understood it. What happened, Sachi? Where is your attention?
Sir, book
Where you are saying?
sir, book में देख रहे हैं.
Huh?
Book में.
Okay, so I hope you have understood what are the importance of water for the plant. Okay, what are the importance of water for the plant? Next question is Avinash Sharma. Avinash Sharma, can you hear me? You are sleeping. Avinash Sharma, can you hear me?
विज्ञान है, वो अपना नाम गलत लिखा है.
अपना नाम गलत लिखा है. क्यों नाम गलत लिखा है? चलो. Okay, so let's discuss the question, that is, what is importance of water for the plant, right? So what is importance of water for the plant? Next question it is. Water for plant. Okay. Yesterday I have posted the question answer in your WhatsApp group. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Have you got it? Okay. So what is the importance of water for the plant, right? So water plant.
Required.
If you wish to answer this question, you can raise your hand. Okay. If you wish to answer this question, you can raise your hand. Don't read the book. You read this. You be ready with the question. You need not need to read the book. Okay. Piyush Raj 5A. Okay. Unmute yourself. Piyush Raj 5A. Piyush Raj 5A.
Sir, मैं भी.
Piyush Raj 5A. Sachi Kumari,
Yes, sir.
you can answer it. Ritika and Abhinav Kumar, you can also answer it. After
Plants
Sachi Kumari.
Plants require nutrient for their proper growth.
Okay, and
Plants require water for germination.
Various nutrient for their proper growth.
okay. चलो बोलो ठीक है. Go ahead. Plant required
Water for germination of seed.
plant required water for germination. Okay. Next, germination of seed and
Require various nutrient for their proper growth.
रितिका तो
plant
बोल रही हो.
Require various
water for absorption of nutrients from soil. Plants require water for the absorption of essential nutrients from soil. Next, anything else? Tell me, Trisha Ranjan. I have unmuted Bhavya Kishore. I have unmuted Ritika. I have unmuted Piyush of 5A. I have unmuted Trisha Ranjan, Nishant Anupam. You can speak. Go ahead, you can speak.
Sir,
What is the
plant
importance of what?
these nutrients get
हेलो
dissolved
सर
in water.
हाँ बोलो।
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है
Nutrient
सर आपका
आवाज
आवाज
नहीं
नहीं
आ
आ
रहा
रहा है
है।
the plant.
सबको म्यूट
सर
कर दीजिए.
रितिका बोले जा रही है।
Ritika,
Sir,
now
there
you be quiet.
water
Ritika,
present
you
in
be
the
quiet.
यार वॉल्यूम सब चीज सब फुल है मेरा सर को मेरा आवाज जा रहा है पर मेरा आवाज
सर बोले।
उनका आवाज
हम
हमको
जिसका
नहीं आ
नाम
रहा है
बोलेंगे वही बोलेगा, ठीक है? जिसका हम नाम बोलेंगे
सर
वही
आवाज नहीं
बोलेगा।
आ रहा है मेरा
आवाज तुम्हारा आवाज आ रहा है,
सर
ठीक है?
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है
Can you hear me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
यस सर।
तो क्या रिज्वाइन करते हैं
फिर से
सर हम
रिज्वाइन कर
रिज्वाइन
लो।
कर रहे हैं सर
Yes, sir.
हाँ
मेरा
ठीक है, करो।
आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है
अच्छा, स्वाति
Sir.
कुमारी 5A, unmute yourself. स्वाति कुमारी 5A, unmute yourself.
Plants also need water for preparing their own food.
Very good. Let me
सर
take it
हम
down.
बोले। सर हम
अरे यार,
बोले।
जिसको अनम्यूट करेंगे वही ना बोलेगा। प्लांट रिक्वायर वाटर फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फूड। प्लांट रिक्वायर
Plant require water for preparing their own of food. Plant require water for preparation of
Plant require.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है
Okay. Anybody else? Next. I will unmute. Okay. Bharti Kumari 5A. Unmute yourself. Bharti Kumari 5A. Unmute yourself.
Sir, water is one of the most important substance on earth. All plant and animal must have water to survive. If there was not water, there would be no life on the earth. Apart from drinking its service, people have a many other use for
Okay.
water.
Okay. You don't read the book. You try to answer it. Okay. Now, Rangila Kumar. Unmute yourself. Rangila
Yes,
Kumar.
sir.
Tell me.
Plants require water for photosynthesis.
That I have taken down. Anything else? Okay. Yusraj 5A.
Water is habitat for many plants.
Okay. Habitat I have written. Okay. Next.
Sir, their nutrients get dissolved in the soil.
It has already been discussed. Anything else? It has
Sir,
already been
plant
discussed.
require nutrients to grow.
This has also been discussed. Anything else? Okay, Ritika 5A, unmute yourself.
This absorbs water transportation, the nutrient of various parts of the plant.
This is also been discussed. Okay, now I think nothing is left. Okay, so let's conclude this things. Okay, let's conclude it. Okay.
Absorb water from the soil with
Okay,
the
let's
help
conclude
of
it.
their
Okay, mute yourself. Now mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now see, what we have discussed. What are the requirement of absorption of nutrients? Okay, plant require absorption of nutrients, preparation of food. It is needed for the germination. Here
Sir,
it has been
water is
discussed
such a common experience.
that I am asking in the context of the plant. Okay, and question number point number 4. Anything? Water is habitat of plants. Some plants. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let's come to the next question. What name some what are aquatic plant. Aquatic. What are aquatic plants? Okay, give some example. What are aquatic plant? Give some examples. Okay, so answer will be plants which grow in water is called aquatic plant. You can write the example in the chat mode. Example: water lily, water hyacinth, okay, hydrilla, water hyacinth, okay, and okay, next. After this, let's come to the next part. Importance of water for the animal we have learned. Importance of water for the plant we have learned. Lotus and duckweed is also an example. Okay, you will take it down. Now next, we come to the next chapter. Next topic: availability of water in the nature. Okay, availability of water in the nature. Kamal kari often eaten. Kamal kakdi is often eaten as a vegetable. Is in fact stem of the lotus plant. Okay, that we will see. Okay, availability of water in nature. Okay, in previous class we have learned about the 3/4 of surface of water is the earth is covered with water. Very small percentage, about 3%, practically used by the human in day-to-day life. Okay, so how much, what percent of land is covered with water? Okay, what percent of land? 3/4 of 3/4, 75% of land is covered, 75% of earth is covered with water. Okay, only 25% is the land. Okay, and in fact there is plenty of available of water on the earth. धरती पर पानी बहुत ज्यादा है, ठीक है, 75% है, but we are able to use only 3%. Okay, next question we should take it down. What percentage of earth is covered with water? Okay, and answer will be 3/4. Answer it is 3/4. 3/4 of total earth. Okay, 3/4 of total earth is covered with water. Okay, now out of which only 3% of water is used by us. I hope you got it. Okay, any problem? Now next, come to the next subheadings, right? Next subheadings. Okay, now 97% of water is present in the sea, ocean. Remaining 3% of water is present in river, pond, lake, stream, and the glacier. Now, let's see the water which is present on the earth. This is called groundwater. Okay, so a small part of water from Earth's surface sweep into the ground and get trapped between underground rock. This is called groundwater. The question comes here: what is groundwater? Okay, what is groundwater? Right. So let's take it down here. What is groundwater? The water which seeps inside the bedrock. This is bedrock, which seeps inside the rock. This is called groundwater. I hope you have understood it. What is groundwater? Okay.
Sir, repeated.
Repeated. What repeated?
सर एक बार और रिपीट कीजिए.
A small part of water. See, देखो मेरी बात सुनो, पहले यहाँ पर समझ लो, ठीक है? पहले यहाँ समझो, ठीक है? हम स्क्रीन पर यहाँ पर हम देखो समझा देते हैं. देखो अर्थ क्रस्ट कैसा बना हुआ होता है, पहले यहाँ अर्थ क्रस्ट को समझो, ठीक है? लेट्स लर्न द अर्थ क्रस्ट. अर्थ क्रस्ट में सबसे पहले टॉप सॉइल्स होता है. यहाँ समझो, आई हैव अनम्यूट. यहाँ देखो, पहले इसको समझो, ठीक है? तब फिर समझ में आएगा जो हम बताना चाह रहे हैं. अर्थ क्रस्ट ऐसा होता है, ठीक है? लेट्स लर्न अबाउट द अर्थ क्रस्ट. सबसे पहले अर्थ क्रस्ट को समझोगे तब जाकर ग्राउंड वाटर को समझोगे, ठीक है? अर्थ क्रस्ट में सबसे पहले ऊपर में होता है सॉइल, ठीक है? टॉप लेयर, ठीक है? टॉप लेयर ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट. फिर उसके बाद मिनरल्स होता है. फिर उसके बाद नीचे का लेयर होता है, ठीक है? और फाइनली यहाँ पर होता है रॉक्स. फाइनली हियर देखो टॉप लेयर, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं यहाँ पर, दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉइल, ठीक है? इट इज सॉइल. ओके, यू कैन सी, लेट्स आई ड्रॉ इट. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉइल. The top layer, this is soil. Okay, this is soil. Top layer of earth. Okay, this is top layer of earth. This is soil. Okay. Then we have middle layer. In this minerals are present.
नहीं, उज्जवल कुमार.
Minerals are present like silicon, aluminum, nickel, ferrous. Okay, minerals are present, and in the bottom there is mineral, and in the bottom there is rock. Okay, rock part of earth. Okay, at the bottom there is rock part of earth. What happened that water gets sips down in the part of the rock, in the rock part of the earth. Okay, water sips down in the rock part of the earth, and this water is called groundwater. Okay, a small part of water from earth's surface, it sips down into the ground and get trapped between the rocks. Okay, get trapped between the rocks. Okay, what is underground water? Here we will study. Let's study underground water. Only 1 minute is left. If you have any problem, first you tell me. Only 1 minute is left. If you have any problem, you tell me. I have unmuted all of you. If you have any problem,
No, sir.
वीडियो डालेंगे ना, जब वीडियो डाल देंगे ग्रुप में, और डीएवी सीआरआरसी को उसमें सब्सक्राइब कर दो. जैसे ही डालेंगे तो मिल जाएगा. ठीक है,
सर कर दिया. सर हम भी